Nice.
Focus, man.
What's up, guys? This is your man Jay Focus, reminding you to stay focused. So today I'm coming to you from the lake. What's the name of this lake?
Tanganyika.
Lake Tanganyika.
Yes.
Say it.
Lake Tanganyika.
Lake Tanganyika, located right off the coast of the city of Bujumbura.
Yes.
Bujumbura, in the country of Burundi, right? So we're just chilling by the lake. We have an amazing hotel. We got in very late, so I don't have any footage of when we first arrived because it was already dark. But I can tell you that I am impressed already by the hotel. And this setting by the lake, I'm gonna show you here in a second. I'm gonna pan the camera. We are literally on the lake, and we just woke up and we're waiting for our breakfast. And you know, a brother's hungry. A brother is hungry. So we're supposed to have an omelet on deck and also some fruit, some fresh fruit. What else we got? Some juice, tea, coffee, everything you need to start the day off right. Balanced breakfast. You know what they say. Gotta have that balanced breakfast, get that protein, that energy. Start the day off on the good foot, not the bad foot. And make the most of the morning. Long pause. You call that a pregnant pause.
A what?
A pregnant pause. It's when you pause for a long time and you hold it like you're giving birth. It's called a pregnant pause. So, yes, this is a great way to start the day. I don't know exactly what we're going to explore, but I will give you my first impressions of Burundi. Because as I said, we got in way too late for me to really say anything. My brother was groggy, I was tired. I couldn't even formulate a sentence, and I didn't want to do that to y'all, the viewer. So I'm gonna break it down to you raw and uncut, but I will tell you this. My first impression on arrival was that you're definitely not in Rwanda anymore. It's another country, and you can feel it. Even though the people look more or less the same, the organization, the cleanliness is not at the same level. So it's gonna make me appreciate Kigali that much more, and you will be able to contrast the two as we go throughout the day. So it's less for me to say and more for me to show. All right, so this is my lovely view, my lovely breakfast. We're starting the day off right with tea, orange, papaya, banana, pineapple, watermelon, and you may not know what this guy right here is. And what's the name of this guy?
Tree tomato.
Tree tomato. That's what that is. So it's not the tomato you usually have in your salad. This is a special fruit that is very typical here.
And lemon.
And lemon as well. And then we've got some fresh toast. We've got omelets, ham, cheese, butter, jam. So it's a complete breakfast. Everything you need. Proteins, vitamins, minerals, fruits, veggies. Well, no veggies, but you get the point. All right, so we'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna show you how to eat tree tomato from a local. She's gonna break it down for you. So,
Just eat this.
okay, you see how juicy it is inside? And you can eat the skin?
No.
Okay, you only eat the insides.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
you can fuck
Okay. Or you can scoop it out. However you want to do it.
He said for the locals. So this is
Ah, okay, the local way. Y'all don't have spoons. I'm not mad at you. I'm bringing you live and direct footage of the streets of Bujumbura. Why did I come to Bujumbura? You're probably asking. I came so that you don't have to come. I'm saving you money and I'm saving you time. So if you were ever curious, what am I missing out on by not going to Bujumbura? You're gonna see what you were missing out on. Only my channel will show you stuff like this. You see everybody and their mama, they can go to Entebbe, they can go to Kampala, they can go to Kigali, they can go to Dar es Salaam. But how many people are gonna take you to the gritty, to the grimy, to the uncut, to the uncensored? Only me. I'm out here, right? And I really don't care because this is what travel is about. If it gets too cushy, if it gets too boring, that means you're not living. You need that struggle, you need that adversity. You need it to be rough sometimes. You need it to be uncomfortable sometimes. And that's what it is today. Show you on the side of me, we've got the coast. And we're about to pass the hotel where we're staying at. So the hotel we're at is the Safari Gate Hotel. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna show you a video here of what it looks like in the inside. I can break it down to you, but I don't think you're gonna do better. I don't think you're gonna do better than the Safari Gate if you're in the city of Bujumbura. I think it's only downhill after that. There's very little sidewalk, there is a road, but if you're a pedestrian and you're walking, not a lot of space. It's not pretty, it's dusty, dusted and disgusted. That's what it's looking like. I'm just keeping it 100, man. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. This is not the first place you wanna come to Africa. If you wanna come to Africa and be like, why did I leave home? This is where you come. But if you wanna come somewhere where you're gonna be appreciative of what you have, this is the place to come because you're gonna feel rich with whatever you have. If you're able to come here for leisure, that means you're doing better than they're doing here. Times 1,000, right? So stay tuned. So we're walking some more and there are no sidewalks here. I'm noticing that not having a car here is a bad idea. This really signals to me that there's a big gulf between the rich and the poor. So you're either a car owner and you're wealthy, probably living here on foreign money, NGOs, UN, something else like that. Or if not, you're poor and you're cleaning those houses of the UN people. Or you're driving their cars as their taxis, their chauffeurs. There's no middle class here. This is my first impression. Prove me wrong. I'll be here, Lord willing, for a few more days if I don't die. But this is my first impression. It's pretty grim. I'm not even gonna say it any other way. Positives. Well, it's very hot. It's warm. I wouldn't say it's humid yet, but it is hot for sure. And you don't hear a lot of anything in this neighborhood. Looks like we walked around the military base. Google was lying. Google said we could just march straight through the military base, but I don't think they would appreciate that. I don't think that would get me a like on this video. So since they won't like it, I want you to like it, okay? So go ahead, support your guy out here. I'm in the middle of a war zone almost for you, for your entertainment. Are you not entertained? Is that not why we are here? Are you not entertained? Spaniard, Spaniard, Spaniard. Okay? So, yeah, go ahead, like it. I'm going to try to keep y'all entertained. Right. Let me give you guys the front view since I know you're getting tired of staring at my handsome face. You want to see the streets of Buju. I'm just going to say Buju from now on because I keep messing it up. I don't know if it's Bujumbura or Bujumbura. Is Buddha? What are you? Okay. See, if I do it, I'll just go back and forth between both. So, because of that, I'm just gonna say Buju. And this car is creeping up on us. Felt like one of them LA moments where they say, "Where you from, cuz?" Just hop out. Brr, brr. Get down on the ground. Get down on the floor. You know what I mean? All right, so I'm gonna switch the view. I lost my selfie stick. Story time. So I was packing, not yesterday, but the night before, and I think somebody distracted me. I'm not gonna say any names, but there might have been somebody that kind of distracted me. And so because I was distracted, I didn't do my due diligence and I didn't double and triple check that I had everything. Now, I had about 98% of what I needed, but you know, in life, it's that extra 2%. We're just gonna have to make do until we could do better. So you can see they have some really nice houses here. Really nice architecture. But I think this is just for the elite. Let me not even say I think. I know this is just for the elite. Regular people are living in shacks. We saw it when we came in. So if you live in a place like this, you are the top 1%. Okay. Nice. Trying to find the downtown of Buju. Not Buju Banton, for all you Jamaican fans out there, all you reggae enthusiasts. Buju, not Banton. It was Jamaican. Yeah, man. 2, 3. What's up, everybody? This is your man, Jay Focus, reminding you to stay focused. They got hoop dreams out here. I thought it was a lot later in the day, but I can't even imagine what it's gonna be like in about an hour or two. So I'm gonna hop in the pool. I'm gonna show y'all that because brother don't like to sweat too much. This is the heart of the city of Buju. Looks like we're coming up to a very congested area, traffic-wise. But this is letting you know it's real, that we really out here. You know what I'm saying? Hi. They look super suspicious, like they never seen somebody film in their life, especially not talking this nice accent that I got. So I just need to be a little careful here about somebody snatching my phone. We can't have that. So I'm gonna pause for the cause. Hit the like button while you're thinking about it. Subscribe. And I'm gonna see what else I can bring y'all. I think we need to cross over here. These are the first traffic lights I've seen. And they're not working. They're not working. No green, no red, no yellow. But they're here for decoration. dusty out here. And I mean that literally. I don't mean it's dusty as in these folks is dusty. I mean, it's literally covered in dust. All in one area. Like, that's not an accident.
In the middle.
Yeah, that somebody did that on purpose and was just like, F it. This is the first motorcycle that I've seen. They don't like motorcycles here. Why? I don't know.
This thing is a life that's better than y'all.
Focus, man.